I've got some good news. I've had a batch of your drink mixed.
Okay.
Here it is in a bottle. Cheers, then. You go first. Does it taste good?
I like the taste.
That's chalky and quite bitter.